Hi guys, welcome to another LivinginSAtv video. David here, and guess what? You guys asked us to do the MTN North taxi rank, so we're gonna do it today. Check, we got a huge army of people right behind me. It's literally 600 people right here to make the difference today, guys. Again, stay tuned because once again this video will blow your mind. So guys, this is really impressive. This is like the biggest amount of people I've seen in a cleanup in a long time. We're talking about 590 people at least. Scary. Okay, we're just gonna get ready because we have around 2 hours to do this. Okay, to give you guys an idea, we're gonna do several blocks and we're gonna put at least 45 people for each block, guys. This is huge.
Good morning, Josie. As promised, we said we're gonna clean up MTN taxi rank. We're doing that. Today, the JICP, the Johannesburg Inner City Partnership, is in partnership with Pick It Up, SEPs, as well as our community patrollers. We are now going to do an initiative once a week where we clean up, we make a focus area, we clean up the area, and come with us.
Tell us on this side, Lorato, who are these people?
These are the social employment beneficiaries, and the JICP is the strategic implementing partner who manages and employs them. They are all from the inner city and they stay in the inner city.
And this side?
This side we've got law enforcement. This is our Wozawek team, which is employed by the JICP, and also the CPF, that is an arm of the SEPs.
Yeah, as we are coming to clean Joburg, as we are from Ethiopian community, we need to make it safe the place, and we need to make it clean Joburg. That's why we close our business and we are coming to cooperate with these people.
Port was already cleaned. Okay guys, let's check the operations. We're walking now. We are at the taxi rank. I have to visit this building, really.
Yeah, we just met you guys.
So everyone says clean up!
Clean up!
Sure, beautiful shot from here. You see, things don't happen, the people make it happen.
In this area the whole every day, and now the issue is that every day they face the very same challenge, which is the illegal dumping. So as I said to you, we need to ensure that bylaw enforcement is done correctly, because we wouldn't be facing this situation. So let's hear from Ubaba, who's always cleaning this area every day.
Yeah, we're going to ask them to come here. Okay, let's clean then. See. Sure, imagine right here. Okay, so what we will do, we will come back later to showcase to you guys the before and after. Small little details that make the difference. You see all this stuff being clean. I think that's what people say about taxis, right? Look at that. They clean and then they put it on the side of the street. You see they? Yeah. They clean and gets like dirty all the way. Take it. What you doing? What you doing? What you
No,
asking?
I say no, I tell the people that no, here, because we see that the people, I think they buy something from here,
Yeah.
they throw in the sleeves there.
Yeah.
You see, we need them to work it together
Okay.
in order that the street must be clean.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, can we keep the street clean, please? Because it helps us and
Yeah.
brings you business.
Because
You know what I mean? Thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you very
Well done,
much.
DK.
Community.
The BS we're talking about. So people just throwing here like garbage and it stays here. Now, people need to start cleaning by themselves, eh? Because this is not tolerable at all, eh? Sure, and it stinks, eh? Guys, thank you so much. Appreciate it. Shame. There you go. It's better. Thank you so much, ladies. Appreciate it. No, way better. Checking for documents. Okay.
No. We just, sometimes they carry little bags and do robberies. So it's good to check the firearm inside, maybe in the bag.
Okay, I see. I understand. Yeah, to see if they didn't rob anything.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. Interesting. See that? So basically, they are trying to inform the shop owners to put the garbage on the corner and then pick it up. Comes sometimes 3 times a day to fetch the garbage. So that's also a good way to keep the shop owners accountable. So this street is a mess.
It's a mess.
I don't even understand how people can move around here.
Just wait for the weekend, Saturday, Friday, Saturday.
Yeah.
And month ends. You will see.
So you mean that today is not looking that bad?
Yeah, it's nothing to do.
Okay.
Come here Saturday, you will see. Come here month ends.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the part on the city that people buy basically their clothes for a very affordable price. I would love to see an operation from Home Affairs right here.
I'm gonna hook up with. Do you have the numbers for the?
Yeah, I do. But I don't know why they don't want to. I don't understand, seriously. I will turn, if I had the power, I will turn myself the city around. Sure, guys, this is a fight that it's so difficult to win. Because we were just here just cleaning this and it looks like a mess already. Jeez, man. You see, guys, the problem is not having bins in the city. The problem is culture. If you don't grab a bag and start putting your own garbage in the bag and then throwing it in the right place, things are not going to change. So we do a lot of awareness. Barato is here, so she knows this. Poor thing, she has actually the head down because, yeah, it's like I say, it's like a fight that you can't win. But again, you gotta keep trying. You know what I mean? But again, yeah, continue.
We can only keep trying, but we need to bring this awareness that let's keep our city clean, guys. I mean, if you're littering, what does that mean? Let's just keep the city clean. Let's make sure that, you know, as I said, we're not leaving this kind of legacy for our grandkids.
Yeah.
Never.
And you guys need to understand, we pay taxes, all this infrastructure is supported by our taxes. So by littering, by spitting, by peeing or stuff like that, you disrespecting yourself. Don't disrespect yourself by throwing away garbage in the same place where you walk and where you live. Keep that in mind. It's crazy to see like people just buying clothes and stuff, negotiating. Why are the pavements not being fixed? Something so simple.
Because it's flares.
Yeah.
We put so many places. We
Yeah.
for so many people.
Okay, so this is what the Ethiopian community is doing around here to create awareness with everyone around, you know, to not litter and stuff like that. So, well done, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Clean. You guys can literally find anything here. just going around the corner to show you guys the initial part that was like full of garbage. Just want to see how it looks like. Something so easy to fix, pavement, is not being fixed. Look at this, this is shameful. Okay, so the reason why I was speaking now with the officer, and he was saying that most of the time they come and dig a hole to fix a pipe or something, and then what happens is they don't come to actually fix the paving, and it stays like that. So it's not okay. Shows a lot of, there's a hidden economy all around here. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Oh wow. They caught all this garbage, guys. All this garbage was caught. Wow, this is really... And look at this, again, because the pavement was not fixed. It's gonna be full of garbage today or even tomorrow. Today is like almost a lost battle. Because small things like not fixing the paving, this thing will be full again of garbage. It's... yeah. City of Johannesburg, please fix this. We really have to. That's our guys that came with us. You see what I mean? They try to keep everything like in places, but then you got these people that come here and they start... Huh? Oh my word, he's literally sleeping. He's sleeping on his stuff. Oh wow. Okay. Shame. Thank you very much for keeping everything clean. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Thank you. Okay guys, the video is done. This was basically another cleanup to show you guys. You guys asked us to do the MTN taxi rank, we did it. Okay, start with pavement, if you guys come here, fix a pipe, finish the job, pave. So, because holes are going to be created and more garbage will be littered. So, it's a cause effect if you know what I mean. Again guys, make sure to share, subscribe and destroy that like button. I'll see you in the next LivinginSAtv video.